Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever needed to go back and see exactly what documents were printed from your computer? By default, Windows clears your print queue as soon as a job is finished, leaving no trace of what was processed. And enabling print history is a vital step for user monitoring and security. Whether you are managing a home computer or you're an IT professional tracking printer usage in an office environment, having a detailed log allows you to audit activity, troubleshoot errors, and keep a record of all physical documents being produced. Today, I'm going to show you two different ways to enable this feature on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, the first method is through the printer properties. This is ideal if you just want to keep a temporary record of print jobs directly in the print queue window, and it's the fastest method. So, open the settings. Once you're in the settings, click on Devices, then specifically select the Printers and Scanners section from the left sidebar. On the right side, you'll see a list of installed printers. I'll be demonstrating this using a print-to-PDF printer, and it works like any other printer you have. Click on the printer you want to track, then click the Open Queue button. A new window will appear displaying the print queue. Click on the Printer tab in the upper left of this window, then select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced tab, and if you see all the options hidden, you'll need to open Properties as an administrator to modify or select the options. So, close the window, and click on the Printer menu again, then select Open as Administrator. Now you can open the Advanced Settings as an administrator, open Properties, and click the Advanced tab. The Advanced Settings have now been opened. Now look for the Keep Printed Documents option, and checkbox, select this option, and click the Apply button. From now on, when printing, the documents will remain listed in the queue window, even after printing is complete, instead of disappearing. And to confirm that this method works, I will print a test page several times. Look at the print queue window. You will notice that although the documents have finished printing, they do not disappear. Under the status column, it shows that they have been printed, but the records are still saved here. Take a look at the details displayed. This window shows the document name, status, owner, the username that submitted the task, and number of pages, and the time and date. No matter how many documents are printed, from now on, they will all be listed here for review. This is the fastest and easiest method. You can use it. If users want to clear this list, they simply need to go back to Advanced Settings and deselect the Keep Printed Documents option, or manually select the tasks from the print queue window and click Cancel Document. However, if you need a more professional and long-lasting solution that persists even after a system restart and tracks more details, we'll use the Windows Event Viewer. This method logs every print event in the system database. In the search box, type Event Viewer and open it. From the left panel, expand Applications and Services Logs, then expand Microsoft. And then the Windows folder. And scroll down until you find PrintService folder, and expand it. Inside the PrintService folder, you'll find an item named Operational. Right-click on it, and select Properties. And on the General tab of the Properties window, find the checkbox labeled Enable Logging. Select this checkbox. Click Apply, then OK. From this point on, Windows will start logging every print operation in the system logs. I'll perform a few print jobs so we can verify that this feature works successfully. Now that registration is enabled, you need to know how to read the data. The list might seem cluttered with information. Here's how to filter it. To show only actual print activity, refresh the operational item. In the Actions panel on the right, click Filter Current Record, then enter the event ID, which is 307. Look for the text box labeled All Event IDs. Replace this text with 307. Event ID 307 is the code Windows uses when a document is successfully printed. The list will now update to show only completed print jobs. You can click on any entry to see who printed the document, the printed file name, the date, time, and any other data you need. With this way, you can easily check who printed the document name, and any other information you require. You now have two options. The first is ideal for a quick look at your recent to-do list. The second provides a comprehensive, searchable log, which is much better for long-term monitoring. Using these tools gives you a complete view of how you use your devices. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.